Are you having problems with YouTube auto translate that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So basically what I did is that I just exited YouTube app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. Then I just scrolled down, I clicked on general right here, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage. And then I just waited for all of the apps here to load and I scrolled up and I clicked on search in here. I searched for YouTube and I clicked on the YouTube app. Now you're just going to click on Offload app in here and once again click on Offload app in here, as you can see. Now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, and now when it actually is going to say reinstall app, click on it once again here, and now just simply wait for your YouTube app to completely update to its latest version. This shouldn't, by the way, log you out of your account if you're scared about that. At least this didn't log me out, just so you know. It's just going to update your YouTube app to its complete new version. So when it's done, you have to go back and try once again. And it seems that unfortunately not every video will have this feature, maybe perhaps because even after the update, some videos actually didn't have it for me still. But a lot more videos actually appeared to have it after the update. So try this and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.